Hey guys, dry air sucks. Here's the top 10 best humidifiers under 50 bucks on AliExpress in 2026 that actually work. Let's dive in. Number 1, Xiaomi Mijia 2, $44. 4 liters, 300 milliliters per hour, smart sensor, very quiet. Number 2, 6-liter smart model, $29. Big tank, auto humidity, works all night. Number 3, Homefish CK 2 liters, $32. Remote control, aroma diffuser, super quiet. Number 4, Kinscoter 5 liters, $35. 320 milliliters per hour. Perfect for big rooms. Number 5, Homefish Desktop, $35. No white dust, safe for kids. Number 6, 5 liters rotating mist, $44. 360 degrees, spreads evenly across the room. Number 7, 3-in-1 with HEPA and ions, $35. Humidifies and cleans the air. Number 8, 5 liters with filter, $38. Easy to fill from top, good for allergies. Number 9, 4.5 liters warm and cold, $21. Warm mist feels nice in winter. Number 10, 3.5 liters ultra quiet, $23. Nightlight, aroma diffuser, perfect for kids' room. Thanks for watching. All links are on my website. Check the description below. Have a great day and see you next time.